Oke, Pak Bayu, kita ketemu lagi. Oke, step 3 tadi sudah selesai. Sorry, step 3 backup the configurations to NVRAM sudah selesai. Let's move on to part 3. Verify the configuration. Step 1. Use verification commands to check your interface configurations. Okay, A. Use the show IP interface brief command on both R1 and R2 to quickly verify that the interfaces are configured with the correct IP addresses and are active. Okay, so let's go to R1. R1 is Cisco class. Okay, show IP interface brief. Okay, so we can see. Let's do this on R2 also. Cisco enable class. Okay, show IP interface brief. Okay, so quick to quickly verify that the interfaces are configured with the correct IP address and are active. Let's go to IP address table. Okay, on R1, G00 has this 10.1 and G01 has 11.1. Okay, so R1 G01 has 10.1 and G01 has 11.1. Okay, on R2 G01 has this 10.1.1 and G01 has this 10.1.2.1. Let's see, G01 has 10.1.1, G01 has 10.1.1.2.1. Okay, so let's go back to, yes, let's see if the state is up or down. Okay, to quickly verify that the interfaces are configured with the correct IP, okay, and are active. Now we can see that state is up on R1 and state is up on R2. Okay, and serials are also up. Serial interfaces are also up and they are active. Okay, now how many interfaces on R1 and R2 are configured with IP addresses, and in the up and up state what part? Okay, so as we have already discussed that there are three interfaces that are up and has been configured with the IP addresses. Same on the R2, there are three interfaces that are up and has been configured with the IP addresses. And in the up state, and what part of the interface configurations is not displayed in the command output. Okay, there is one thing that we cannot see in this command is that the net mask. We don't know how what is the net mask. It is not available here. Okay, use the show IP route command. Oh, sorry, let's go back. What commands can you use to verify this part of the configuration? Okay, what command can we use? I think we can use show interfaces, and we can see on Ethernet 0 by 0 has this IP address 10.1 and the net mask is 24. Let's go to the routing table and to make sure. Here we can see on router 1 gigabit interface 0 by 0 has 10.1 IP address and the net mask is /24 or equal to 255.255.255.0. We can do the same on the router 2 show interfaces, and we can see that 0 by 0, sorry, here is show interfaces 0 by 0 has this IP address and this is the net mask. Okay, let's go back to our question. Step 3 1. Okay, So we can see the net mask here. Now we have to discuss show IP route. Uh, Let me save this video first supaya gampang di-upload ke YouTube. Oke, kita akan ketemu lagi di next video. Sorry.